Hello, today I'm going to walk you through my BingeBot app project, a personalized content recommendation platform. Um, and I'm going to share a little about the progress so far and some challenges I faced and where the project is headed. So BingeBot is designed to help users find personalized content recommendations, sort of like Netflix, but built with a different twist. The goal is to have users sign in, get personalized movie and TV show recommendations, and even track their viewing habits. I'm really excited about this concept, but as with any project, the things haven't gone as smoothly as I had hoped. Um, let's dive into the technical side first. So my app is built using the MERN stack, MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js. Right now, I've successfully set up the backend, which handles authentication, um, user registration, and login through JWT. The MongoDB database is connected and the backend is responding just fine, but the kicker is the front end isn't displaying. I have the profile page pulled up here, but as of now, if I was to type in the local host, it's not showing at the moment. So that's where my issues begin. Um, looking, well, we'll start. I'll continue with the code issues. Um, so the backend is working perfectly fine. I've got it running on my local machine and can interact with the server via Postman. Logging users in and out without any issues, but for some reason the React front end is giving me some headaches. It could be something like with how the ports are configured, or it's probably a small issue in the React code base that I just haven't tracked down yet. Um, I just think that is one of those frustrating moments in dev when everything works except for one thing that you actually need to see. My issue specifically is with this MongoDB URI. I have tried so many different ways to get this working, or I'm getting an error that is undefined, and I just can't figure out how to get it defined. And I've tried everything, and nothing seems to be working at the moment. Uh, Looking back, I think I could have approached the front end back end integration a little differently, maybe running the front end and back end separately earlier on in the development, which is what I didn't do, and then using the tools like Postman frequently for testing each route. I think that could have helped me catch the issues earlier. um I also think some of the API calls and how I'm managing state and React could have used a closer look, um, especially with how movie data from the API is being pulled in. Because I also did that and it's not showing for some reason. Um, but despite the front end issues, I'll go back to the application. Despite the front end issues, the vision for BingeBot is still super clear. Once the front end is up and running, the user experience should feel pretty seamless. log in, get a dashboard and content recommendations, track what you watch, and even like some fun data about your viewing habits. In the future, I would like to add trailer previews when you hover over the movies, and detailed content filtering based on the genres of the user preference, and maybe even a collaborative feature where friends can recommend content to each other. Um, so that's where things stand. The back end is in good shape, but the front end has hit some bumps that I'm still working through. Honestly, I think it's just a matter of time and a few debugging sessions before it all clicks into place. I'm excited to keep pushing on this, and I think with more time, BingeBot could be an awesome platform for personalized recommendations. Thanks for following along. Hopefully, in the next update, I'll be able um, to push it to GitHub and maybe send a message for people to be able to actually see the finished product. Um, but thank you for following me along on this project.